Hello everyone. In today's episode, we'll deal with what LLM streaming is about. Streaming is a process of delivering the response in a continuous stream of data instead of sending the entire response at once. So it enables the user receive the response piece by piece as it is generated. Now to the demo. Once again, we'll enable this, install the required dependencies as usual because we're working with LangChain and OpenAI. So the next thing is to get your environment variables, which is not meant to be known to the public, which is a private key. Then you write your response, and this response I want to get a poem that can be delivered by Maya Angelou. So the next thing I'll do is to instantiate the model, and using the chat OpenAI um, class, I import my key, API key. So the next thing I'm meant to do after delivering this, after instantiating the model, I would write this, stream this prompt in chunks. So once I click on the enter key, it delivers this response piece by piece. So let's see the delivery. So this is what the response produced, and this is a poem that was delivered by Maya Angelou.